Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still continuing with cloudy conditions out there this morning. We'll see a slight chance of some light rain or light sprinkle moving through the area this morning, and then we'll start to see things drying out as more seasonable temperatures and high pressure start to build into the area for the end of the week. If we look at the current surface analysis, we have this boundary over the area that's starting to push through and push those showers out of the area. Then we'll see that secondary boundary off to the west pushing through. We'll see some elevated winds with that and the more seasonable air pushing in behind that with high pressure building in behind that as well. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning sounding, we have some westerly winds near the surface becoming more west-southwesterly as we go up through the column. Peak wind today is 73 knots at 20,000 feet. The freezing level is at 11,100 feet. If we look at the local radar, we can see most of the shower activity off to the south and southeast off the coast. Again, can't rule out a slight chance of a light sprinkle or a light shower swinging through the area until about noon this morning before we start to see those chances diminish, and we'll see some breaks in the clouds as well. So if we look at the current visible satellite, we see plenty of clouds over the area, and then we start to see those breaks in the clouds well off to the northwest. Again, as the front continues to push through, we'll see that more breaks in the clouds moving into the area as well as some breezier conditions. So if we look at the next 24 hours on the high-res model here, again, as stated, we'll see those showers pushing out of the area. We'll see some clouds still around, but as we start to see breaks in the clouds, we'll start to see more gustier conditions this afternoon, and as that second boundary pushes through, we'll see those winds become elevated, gusting into low 20 knots through the first part of the evening and overnight. And then going into the start of Thursday, we'll see a gradual clearing trend becoming mostly sunny and more seasonable to start the day on Thursday. We zoom out and look at the longer term model here. We'll see high pressure building in for the remainder of the week. See increasing clouds on Friday, but still remaining dry. And as we go into the day on Saturday, we'll see some of those thickness values lowering, setting up for a chilly day on the day Saturday. And then going into Sunday, we'll see that area of low pressure we've been watching still looking to develop off the coast Saturday night into Sunday. That's going to bring a slight chance of maybe a few light showers around the area on Sunday. Not looking to be anything significant, little to no accumulation expected with that if that happens, but we'll keep temperatures more seasonable during the day on Sunday. And then as that area of low pressure tracks off to the northeast, we'll see high pressure building back in, but we'll see those thickness values really start to lower again as we go into the beginning and middle part of next week, looking like a colder air mass starting to settle in over the area. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we'll keep that yellow chance for precip as we go till about noon this morning. And we do have that red risk for those reduced ceilings. We are currently seeing those ceilings below 500 feet at this time. We'll see temperatures staying right around where it's at until we get to the afternoon, when we'll start to see those temperatures starting to fall off. And we'll see those winds becoming more gusty out of the northwest, 8 to 13 knots, gusting up to 18 knots. And as we go into the evening time frame, we'll stay mostly cloudy, and we'll gradually see those temperatures continuing to drop. And then as that other boundary pushes through, we'll see those winds peaking out of the northwest at 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 23 knots, mainly through the overnight time frame. And then we'll see those temperatures cooling down to around 42 to start the day on Thursday, with slightly breezy and mostly sunny conditions. Looking at the extended forecast here, again, more seasonal temperatures to end the week. We'll see a mostly sunny day, slightly breezy day for Thanksgiving. And then we'll see clouds on the increase as we go into the weekend, with a mix of partly to mostly cloudy skies through the weekend. Slightly breezy and chillier on Saturday with a high around 49 degrees. We keep that slight chance of precip in the area on Sunday with more seasonable temperatures at a high around 54 degrees. And we return to more partly cloudy conditions as we go into the beginning of next week, with slightly breezy conditions as well. We'll stay seasonable on Monday with a high around 55 degrees, and then we'll see those temperatures start to cool as we go into Tuesday with a low around 32 and a high around 48 degrees. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again on Friday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your Thanksgiving.